Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to fix Capcut loading effect problem. So in the key situation, trying to, well, apply some effects over on the Capcut application, but the effect is just loading, and it's not necessarily applying over onto your video. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this issue, so please watch this video until the end to find out how, guys. What we can do in order for us to fix this issue is number 1, double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi, so we could actually scroll down to our control centers, and double check our Wi-Fi connection, and see if we are connected stably. Now, you could also contact your internet service provider and see if you were experiencing some issues with your Wi-Fi, and if you are, you could actually try yourself data instead of your Wi-Fi, and see which one between the two is gonna work better. Now, one more thing that we could also do in order for us to fix this issue is to update our Capcut applications to the latest versions. I would like you guys to search for the Capcut applications over on your app stores, and double check if you have an update available. If you do, I would like you guys to proceed with updating your applications due to latest version, so that bugs like this would be fixed, and you are gonna have the best user experience possible. Now, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys will learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.